First, I get in my house and then put down my bag. It's heavy. And then my books. I only put it on the TV. And then I go to the kitchen and look for something. When I open the wrap, I check if there's something yummy or there's something to drink or eat. And then I take some glass and then pour it to the water. And then pour the water in the glass. And then I drink it. And then put back and put it. And then put the glass, and then put the water back in the refrigerator. And then I go to my sister's laptop and watch some YouTube videos. Then I sign out, and then I shut down the laptop, then close it. Hey guys, it's the Northern Angel. That's the last part of my video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to press that like button down below and press that subscribe button up there or somewhere. Bye, toodles. And as you can see, my outfit for today is white boho t-shirt with a sparkly skirt and some white socks and some black combat pants. Bye! Thanks for watching!